Rich here from Eagle6. We're going to be testing this TM MK46. It's coming for servicing and upgrades. We've installed the upgrade power spring from Eagle6, the Psionic R hop kit, which we've done with the modified original TM hot rubber. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded nub. We've got the retro arms bushings. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded anti-reversal latch. We've got the Eagle6 custom piston. We've got the Warhead ronin motor in 45k. We've put a Dean's connector on. We've got the we found a screw in the wrong place on the side of the gun, which had gone into the actual circuit board. Luckily, it's not actually caused any damage, but that's very, very lucky. So just make sure you put the screws back in the right place. We've got a new cog on one of the magazines, and we've also replaced the bevel gear with a Prometheus bevel gear, which was causing us some issues during the shimming process, which was extending out testing, and we kept on getting not ideal results to the point where simply replacing that to resolve things. So we've done that. So there'll be a cost of a gear and a cog on top. But yeah, other than that, we just need to now demonstrate it working so that it's robust and reliable, ideally all the way to the end of the mag. And yeah, we'll be shooting 3.2s. It's getting 261, I think, on 3.2s, which is obviously a nice competitive FPS for the UK. And yeah, we're ready for demonstrating. Yep, all empty. Cool, so that's all tested. Obviously any issues, let us know, but hopefully it's got the reliability here. Obviously we've range tested it, you know, other than any sort of like subtle longevity issues and stuff, you know, motor connectors coming off or something crazy. It shouldn't be any more issues or anything problems, and should be all good for you. So we hope you enjoy and I'll have lots of fun. Thank you.